All right, you guys, we are here at 2020 Fenmore Way here in North Natomas, more specifically in Natomas Park. I lost the editor, so I'll be doing this on my own, and bear with me. And so, yeah, let's go and take a look at this property. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,630 square feet. And as soon as you walk in, you have your living room slash dining room. You see the light bulb right there with the laminate flooring. And it's a combination of laminate, carpet, and tile. You see over here. Boom. And so I like North Thomas a lot. It's definitely the 8th best neighborhood to raise a family in. That was voted in 2020 and 2021. And right over here, you've got your family room slash kitchen area, a little bit of space for a nook or dining. And you've got your island right here, black appliances, tile countertops, and then you've got your wood cabinets. And this was built in 2001. And so you see the little alcove right there. That was definitely for the letterbox TVs on the nightstands. Well, not nightstands, but those entertainment systems. Fireplace right there. That is gonna be gas. Let me take you out to the back. But yeah, I got pretty good schools around here. Also, a third of all of the parks in Sacramento belong to North Thomas. And while we're coming out here, we got a lot of plants and trees, a lot of nature-like, wonder, and quite a bit of privacy here too for a one-story home. Tough shed right here. All right. Let's go back inside. And then what I also like about Natomas is it's like super close to downtown. All you have to do is get on the 5. And let me mention, you got solar panels for this one as well, paid off. So that is amazing because solar panels definitely help out a lot as far as utility bills. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, super close to downtown. Only thing you have to do is just get on I-5 and you're right there. So if you want to go to any Sacramento Kings games at the Doco Center, have good barbecue, good coffee, it's all there for you. This is the first bedroom. This is, I think, a 11 by 11. Right here, good sized closet space. Next, we got our bathroom right here, one of 2. See, pretty standard, but fixtures look newer in the shower. Nice. Large window. Right there for you. A couple hooks there for your towels. Now, the Arco Arena that was supposed to, I guess, be a zoo, because everyone in Natomas wanted it to be a zoo, is not going to be a zoo. It's going to be tore down and built into a state-of-the-art university and teaching hospital. So California North State University. What that's going to do is bring in a lot of jobs with higher incomes and to further grow Natomas economically. Got your laundry room right here. And last but not least, you have your primary bedroom. You got a combination of the laminate and the carpet for a walkway. You got the raised ceilings as well. Plenty of natural light from all 3 windows. Dual sinks in the ensuite bathroom. As you can see, nice light fixture. I do like the black finishes right here for the tub / shower. Ooh, good size too. Good size tub. And then as we go into the closet, good size closet right here. And of course, bathroom right there. But yeah, down the street, you do have trails that go along the creek. And it is just perfect for summertime, wintertime, if you want to take any kind of walk, kids, dogs. Like I said, Natomas Park is definitely in the top 10 neighborhoods to raise a family. And yeah, so that is all I have for you guys today. And hope you enjoy. All right, bye.